Happy Friday! Friday! I have Mr. Charley here. Mr. Charley is one of my private clients. He has big lab energy. Like, this guy is... leave it. No. This guy is, like, typical lab energy, but like massive. He's so cute. He's so sweet. Because he has big feelings with his big lab energy. So, Charley, down. Nope. Good. It's just using body pressure. Gonna put Knox in her crate because she's being a bitch. Crate. Good. Good boy. Nope. Good boy. I know Charley struggles with blowing off commands when there is a bigger prize on the other end. He struggles with distraction, so he's going to need some place proofing, which we'll definitely get done today. We're going to down. This is why we like the elevated place bed. You can't be on the ground. He's so cute. We're going to proof that. We're going to meet lots of dogs. Well, not meet them, but we're going to go find them so that we can work around them. Nope. Nope. Back up. Not really sure why, but I love to proof place. I find it enjoyable. Maybe that's because I can't turn my brain off, but it just constantly is giving me something to think about, something to do. Just making sure that the dog stays there or that I catch them before they try to get off. Just constantly rewarding them when they're doing good things. But I really enjoy proofing place.
And then there's the temperature.
Yes. The cat loves when the dogs are on place and loves to test them. That's where we're clear visioning right now. But he has given me actually lots of eye contact since the cat came out, and he's gotten treats for that. So when he first got on place, he was like, fuck this, I'm gonna get off all the time. But good boy, good choice. Yeah, it's a good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Oh my God, he almost pulled me over. One good boy isn't enough. Come on. Know what we're practicing today? Yeah, I know what we're practicing today. Good. Good job. Yes, good boy, Charley. Good. Come on. Yes, good. Good job. We are on our morning walk to school. Gonna see what ticks him. Come on. Yes, good. Good job. Lots of people getting ready for work, lots of kids going to school, lots of people walking their dogs, so we're bound to see stuff, and it's not raining. So we are going to have a busy day. Gonna have a busy morning, Charles. Come on. Yes, good. Good boy. Hello. It's like, what the fuck? Good. Good.
Good boy. There you go. So, see how I just, rather than like try to fix it every time, I just keep myself consistent, clear with what I'm asking. I don't really do much. I want to say chaos, right? Owners get like when the coordination feels uncomfortable or awkward, I find owners get very frazzled and they start like doing all these little steps and getting all sketchy themselves, and it really doesn't help the dog's energy. That's like the worst thing I can do. So if I can just do less and stay calm, I'm gonna have a much better time handling my dog than if I show them that I have no idea what I'm doing. So what I always tell people is fake it. Like, act like you know what you're doing. Act like you feel confident. Like, just walk with courage instead of like feeling stressed and unknown. Even if you do feel that way, just tell the dog that you don't with your energy. Leave it. Good. Charlie's verbal cue has gotten impressive. Good boy. So his verbal leave it is amazing this walk. Even if it's just ears forward to ears back, he listens the first time almost every single time, which just tells me that him and mom have been working on it. Now we're coming into an area with lots of prey. This is really hard. There's birds everywhere. That's, Lab is like, what the fuck? Let me chase all the prey. But he's doing a really good job. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Good. That was harder. They're right there though. He's doing a really great job. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy boy. I am impressed. So we're gonna walk by. Come on. Leave it. Good. So there's a dog there, but he listened to my cue right away. The dog's just standing there staring at us, and he's not even hesitating that way, which I love. That's fantastic. Good boy. Doing great. Good job. Passing lots of people. No one has dogs other than the dog that was sitting there staring at us, but he is attentive. Look at you. So good. He just looked at two dogs that are passing. We're just gonna stop and chill. Leave it. Good. That was all verbal. He's been really great with his verbal leave it's today. Good boy. Leave it. Yes. Very good. Very good. You make good choices. You're making good choices. Good. He says, more treats for me, please. So we've got a couple dogs coming. This might be hard. Leave it. Good. Stay. Good. No. Good. No. I learned anything from having a dog Instagram, it's that taking pictures is really great training, as silly as that sounds. Charley, please. Good. Okay. Yes. Good. His distance place has gotten so good. I'm impressed. Please. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Good choice. Look at that distance work, you smarty. Down. Down. Good. Okay. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy.
So this is the hard shit we're working through right now. The duration place is hard. I will tell him a down eventually if he can't figure it out on his own, but I do like him to try and make that decision. That's where the real magic happens. Charley, sit. Good. So he's tried to get off a couple times, but I'm not going to make it harder for myself by not reinforcing it, because then it just becomes harder later. So I always think of myself actually later. Am I going to thank myself for following through, or am I just going to, create really bad habits for myself that are going to be way harder later? So we just worked through 24 minutes of whining, pushing place, like really pushing place, really demanding behaviors, and he has finally decided to lay down and rest. And me talking isn't helping, he's whistling, but these are the moments that people give up on. 23 minutes actually isn't a lot. I would have bet that it was like an hour, because it feels like a long time when that's happening, but those moments are so beneficial. He has finally chosen to lay down, and that he can lay down. And yes, he's whining again, but again, it's only going to get better. I can't just be like, he's whining, he's pushing, so I'm going to stop, because that's where he starts to learn. I can cut corners. I can do what I want. I just got to find the way to do that. And he's a smart dog. He will find that way. So really impressed that he's decided to lay down now. It's going well. I am so genuinely excited because he did it. It took about an hour, but he is genuinely relaxing. And if we don't teach them how to do it, they'll never know how to do it, and it'll just be harder and harder the longer we wait to teach them. This was a really important moment for him. He fought real hard to get off that bed for about an hour. And next time he probably won't fight so long, and then the time after that even shorter, and so on and so forth, until he realizes, okay, when I come here it's time to relax. And that's where we want to get to. Holden downstays while we wait to walk with
Kim and Tucker. We had 2 people walk by us with dogs, and one was on a phone and just saw another dog and was like, I'm gonna let my dog go say hi. And then I started walking away and he started following me, and I had to say, my dog's not friendly. And then he was like, oh. And then the other one, I think she was falling pretty close behind and got the picture, but he did fantastic. So what a handsome lug. Are you a handsome boy? Yeah. Good. It looks delicious, and then I'm not going to be able to stop thinking about it until I get it. Yeah. So, thanks a lot for that. Ready? Ready? Okay. Ready? Play. Play. Good. Okay. Come here, you psycho. Come here, you crazy. Ready? Play. Good. Yes. Okay. Come here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Please. Yes. Good. Please. Good. Okay.
So this time we had maybe a couple minutes of protesting and tried to get off twice, but then went to sleep. So, in my opinion, that hour or so that I spent showing him what I wanted was so worth it, so that now I can just do what I need to do, and he does what he's supposed to be doing with no issue, right? So next time it'll probably just be a place, and then he knows that that's what he's supposed to do, or he'll put up a little fight again, but then the next time it'll probably be nothing. So that is the benefit of pushing through those really hard feelings.
Good job.